Found something worked right here. Can't really tell if it's, oh. It's a little knife or something like that. Well, isn't that special? It's a little bitty sucker, man. Little bitty knife. Alright. Okay guys, this is a little washout in the road. Man, from what I can see of this thing, it's pretty nice. Golly, man, it looks like it's all there. That's awesome. That's an awesome point if it is there. It looks like it is so far. Oh man, the tips there, everything is there. There it is. Man, it's right in the middle of the road. Just in a little washout in the road. Man, okay. I need to take a picture of that. Man, I don't want to pick it up. Okay. What a freaking nice point. Look at that. This thing is perfect. Look at that. Freaking awesome. Wow. I cannot believe this, right in the middle of the road. Anyway, I think that's got to be one of the best ones I've found. That is pretty cool, man. Anyway, there it is. Look how thin that sucker is, man. That's a thin sucker. Man. That definitely made my day. For sure. Anyway. Look at that, man. That is just awesome. Talk to y'all later. That killer, I guess probably about 30 minutes ago or so. Hadn't found too much, bunch of flakes and stuff like that, but I came across another little point. Looks like it's got an ear broke off of it, dadgummit, but I can see that already. But that ain't bad. Looks like that one was worked down pretty good. Wish that other ear was there though, but it's not too bad. Alright.